Blower door testing gives a precise measure of a new home's airtightness so you can target upgrades that save energy and improve comfort. Start by scheduling a blower door test with a certified tester who knows how to test new construction using standardized protocols and who will report results in plain terms you can act on. During the test, the technician will depressurize the house to reveal whole house leakage and produce a leakage rate such as air changes per hour at 50 pascals, which lets you compare performance to code or best practice targets. Use the report to prioritize air sealing at common leakage paths. Top plates where cavity tops meet the attic, box sills where the foundation meets framing, around windows and doors, and at plumbing and electrical penetrations. For pinpointing leaks without a camera, ask the tester to use a smoke pencil to trace draft locations and a handheld infrared scanner to find temperature anomalies that indicate hidden gaps. Apply simple fixes first. Caulk large gaps, spray foam small irregular voids, install continuous insulation where thermal bridging occurs, and add quality weather stripping to operable windows and doors so they perform as built. After completing repairs, retest to confirm reductions in leakage and to ensure combustion appliances remain safe. Record the before and after numbers so you can evaluate cost versus benefit. Common issues include relying on visual inspection only, which misses hidden cavity leaks, so use the blower door plus smoke or infrared to reveal concealed pathways. Another mistake is treating window and door gaps with temporary fixes that compress or fail. Use durable compression weather stripping size to the gap and install continuous gasketing at the frame to maintain long-term performance. A third concern is not retesting after air sealing work, leaving homeowners uncertain whether improvements worked. Always retest and compare the documented values so you can verify performance and decide if additional measures like mechanical ventilation are needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we all share real project experiences and vendor feedback. We help contractors find work by listing their services and letting them engage directly with homeowners and community members.